Spanish Town, Spanish Town, Spanish Town, the old capital. We're out to do deliveries today. It's back to school, as you know, and there are persons here who want to get stuff for their family. We're waiting on this nice young lady. She's coming to describe herself. She's in a red shirt. She coming. I think that is burgundy though. There the shy look. I like the dimple. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
You're good. I'm done.
Thanks to me. Nice.
Well, I know your name. So I'm going to jump right into it. Right into it. Remember this package, return referral package. All I'm asking you to do nicely is to put your mailbox number on it and pass it to a friend or a family. Because I want them to benefit the way you're benefiting.
Yes.
Or you haven't been?
Yes, I have.
You have been? You're a platinum member?
No, not yet.
Not yet. So we're waiting on. You're missing an easy opportunity of four free shipping coupon for the year, up to £5. 4. You can't miss that. This is like money, you know. It's a free money. You like free money? You like free money? No. You're a Jamaican, you love everything, especially free money.
We love everything free.
You see, you talk slow a while ago, because I just dip in my pocket, but you not say nothing, so you know I have to put it back. Going around now on social media about the government wanting to do something like a park, something like Emancipation Park over here.
Where?
In Spanish Town. I don't know, they didn't state exactly where.
This is the town of
So this is something you'd support?
Square is down there, so we're
I know, but I don't know. But would you be in support of something like that though?
Yes.
You would?
I think that would be.
You go to the park and go strolling arms in arms with?
No, I would jog there.
Oh, you jog.
Slowly.
Oh, so into the fitness thing.
Yeah.
Oh, she's into the fitness thing. All right, cool. Looking forward to see you jogging.
All right.
Have a good one, and thanks for your business.
All right.
All right, there you have it. I have a fitness buff who is one of our customers. Look on her. She fit. She not run this time though. Yes. So she's our customer and she's enjoying the service. This is how we do it on the delivery trail. See you at the next one.